Welcome to bulkworkwear.co.uk. How to purchase and personalise your garments on bulkworkwear.co.uk. Follow our easy 3-step process to personalise your garments quickly and easily using our website. Step 1. Find and select your product by searching or scrolling through the categories. Once you have found your desired product, select your required colour, type a number for the required quantity and click Add to Cart. Step 2. If you wish to personalise your garments with print or embroidery, click the button Add your logo. You will then be prompted to select the location of your garment decoration. Once you have selected the location, you will then be asked whether it's a new logo you are adding to our system or a logo you have previously had decorated. If it's your first time using our site to print or embroider your garments, be sure to select Add New Logo. If you have a print file ready, a previously set up embroidery file, or have used the service for the same logo previously, you can select Reuse Previous Logo. You will now have the option to select your preferred application type. Select the appropriate application and select Add to Cart. Step 3. Check out using our safe and easy checkout options. 0% interest available with lay-by. Check out securely using PayPal, Apple Pay, credit or debit card. When checking out using your card, ensure the payment address details match those you have registered with your card issuer. Delivery details can be entered separately if you wish to have your order delivered elsewhere. Remember to register as a new customer to gain access to our amazing offers and promotions. Thank you for choosing bulkworkwear.co.uk. We've got you covered.